Welcome all of you. Today we discuss the breeding of pumpkin crop. So we first know about the content today's PPT. First introduction, then pumpkin flower biology, then breeding objective of pumpkin crop, then varieties of pumpkin. First introduction is botanical name Cucurbita moschata, family Cucurbitaceae, local name Lal Bhopra or Kaddu. Then center of origin, that is Mexico Peru region, and chromosome number 2n is equal to 40. Then see the flower of the pumpkin crop with their dissection. Okay, then male and female flowers, see the male flower and female flower of the pumpkin crop. Then flower floral biology, petals of the flower, see the petals of the pumpkin flower. See the pistils after dissection. See the pistils of the stigmatic surface of the pumpkin flower. Then single pistil. See the sticky portion of the pumpkin pistil. These are the single pistils separate. Then pumpkin pistil surface look green. See the gel-like structure. Then ovary of pumpkin. See the ovary of pumpkin. Pollen and anther, these are the yellow colors, like small yellow colors anther of the pumpkin crop. Then pumpkin pollination. Pollination in pumpkin is done by through honeybee. The honeybee transfer the pollen grain from one flower to the another flower. Like the pollens are attached the hairy portion of the honeybees and transfer to the another flower. Then next, hand pollination, vertical trial system of greenhouse pumpkin production. Pumpkins trails used for supplement the plant tendrils. See the support by using these tendrils or trays, or by using the wires, the tendrils are supported in pumpkin crop. Then male and female flower. See the original male and female flower. See, this is a male flower. This is a female flower. Pumpkin have separate male and female flower on the same plant. Those flowers were taken from the same plant. Left is a male flower and right is a female flower. Only female flowers will form fruit. Okay. Then female flower with small fruit. See the female flower with small fruit. Here a female flower can be seen on the plant. After pollination and fertilization, the ovary will develop into fruit. We see here. The next, covered male flower the day before pollination to prevent contamination. To avoid contamination, the male flowers are covered with butter paper bag before just before 1 day pollination. Then male flower lack on ovary. They note that the male flower lack the swollen ovary below the flower plants. Male flower usually start open earlier in the season than the female flower. Then open male flower. Here a male flower has been opened to show the stamen or pollen bearing structure. The yellow pollen is bearing raised by the anther. It is ready to pollinate a female flower. This portion is ready for pollinate the female flower. Then petals completely removed and applying pollen to stigma with brush. Okay, see the image. By dusting the pollen grain to the female flower, here the female flowers have been removed to make a brush. Here the flower petals have been removed to make a brush that can be used to pollinate a female flower. The pollen is being transferred to the stigma of the female flower by completing the cross pollination or by completing the hybridization process. Then for bagging, next operation, natural outcrossing prevention in pumpkin using the gas bags. Then tagging after bagging, cross identification and flower clipping after pumping, hand pollination is required. Then ovary being to swell after pollination and fertilization. See, the ovary becomes swell after pollination and fertilization. After pollination, fertilization occur and the fruits develop. Fertilization is necessary for fruit formation. Fertilization does not occur, the ovary will wither away. If fertilization is successful, the ovary will swell and fruit develop. Okay. Then see pumpkin fruit supported by hammock. Hammock is a new techniques for improving quality of the pumpkin crop. After harvesting, the storage the pumpkin crop. Then seed different species of the pumpkin. See the different species. Okay, number of species we see in a market. Then important point, objective of pumpkin to develop early maturing variety, development of high yielding variety with the high female and male flower ratio, to develop variety with high carotenoids, fruits with yellow or malted or non-malted, fruits with thick, fresh and narrow seed cavity, medium vine characteristic, resistant to diseases and insect pests. These are the important objectives of pumpkin crop. Then varieties for selection: Arka Suryamukhi, Arka Chandan, CO1, CO2, Pusa Vikas, and hybridization varieties is Pusa Hybrid 1. Arka Suryamukhi is a high yielding variety released by IHR Bangalore. Small size, flat, round fruits with orange color, resistant to fruit fly attack, growing Kerala condition. See this variety. Then Arka Chandan, it is pure line selection raised from IHR Bangalore. Fruits are round with pressed blossom end with weight 2 to 3 kg on an average yield of Arka Kanchan varieties. Arka Chandan varieties, that is 33 tons per hectare. Crop rotation, that is 150 to 120 days it required for maturity. See the then Ambeli variety, it is high yielding variety released from the Kerala Agriculture University. On an average weight of this Ambeli is 4 to 6 kg, medium size flat round fruits. See the Ambeli variety, different varieties according to the place regions. Okay, so thank you all of you for watching this video. Thank you.